I'm mostly interested in learning Arabic because I've read a lot of books with Middle Eastern languages and culture.
I really want to learn Arabic because at my school I have a lot of friends that are Arabic.
I just want to learn Arabic for my family.
I started Teens of Color Abroad because I saw that there was a large racial disparity in which college students study abroad, and also there's a lack of language learning in US schools in general.
Do you speak any Arabic or no?
No, not a thing.
So we start from scratch.
If I want to say hello in Arabic, I would say marhaba.
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 Sorry, how do you say it?
The COVID-19 outbreak stopped us from traveling abroad with students this summer, but it gave us an incredible opportunity to connect globally minded teens and a community of language teachers dispersed throughout the world.
The full sentence would be أنا ساكنة في مدينة نيويورك جانب الحدود مع Canada.
Wow. Very good.
This weekend, I'm going to take the time, I'm going to go over all my cards. I'm going to remember all this because I want to know all this.
Can I say maybe 2 or 3 sentences real quick? Let me try.
مرحبا أنا اسمي هايلي.
أنا من Illinois.
أنا من Texas.
أنا من Washington DC.
أنا ساكنة مع ماما وبابا وأختي.
موسيقتي المفضلة هي الجاز.
Your accent, your vocabulary, amazing.
This level and this development, it's not easy to happen in 2 weeks.
So you can speak 2 languages now.
I'm gonna be real honest with you. When my mom suggested this program, I was kind of skeptical at first, but honestly, I'm really glad that I joined.
This is my first ever virtual program that I actually enjoy. Literally.
This is like my biggest dream. This is why I wanted to create this organization, was so you all can have these opportunities. So thank you. I really appreciate it.